Alright, class, today we will be doing some algebra. Today we'll be doing some Salem today. So take out the Chromebooks and start doing some Salem the assignment. Now if you will excuse me, I'm going to use the bathroom. Oh no, I forgot to bring my Chromebook to school with me. Now I can't do my Salem the assignment, but how do I solve this problem? I got it. I would just burn Blue Cat's Smartboard with a flamethrower because it would be funny as Yes, I burned Miss Blue Cat's Smartboard with a flamethrower. Yes, I burned Blue Cat's Smartboard with a flamethrower. Yes, I burned Blue Cat's Smartboard with a flamethrower. Yes, I blew with a Smartboard with a flamethrower. Yes, I blew Blue Cat's a flamethrower. Yes, I blew cat at the king viewer. Yes, I blew at the king of viewer. I do I equals view. I be Smartboard with the flamethrower. Now time to get out of here before I get caught. Alright, class, I'm back. What the heck is this? Oh my god, it's my Smartboard display right now. Wait a second, Ludwig, did you burn my Smartboard with the flamethrower? Tell me the truth right now. Okay, you caught me. Yes, I burned your Smartboard with me because I hate you so much. Oh my god, Ludwig, how dare you burn mine with the Smartboard? And now I had to get it fixed, and now I had to get it my new one to get it fixed right now because of you. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now. So Ludwig, why are you here in my office for? I burned Blue Cat's Smartboard with the flamethrower because I hate him so much. What? Oh my god, Ludwig, how dare you burn Blue Cat's Smartboard with the flamethrower? You and the Blue Cats are very expensive, and now I have to get it fixed right now and use it logic to get it back. Thanks to you. That is it. You're expelled for 6 weeks. Go home right now when I call your parents about this. No. When Ludwig got home. Ludwig! Yes, we cannot believe that you blew Blue Cats with Blue Cats as a teacher Smartboard are very expensive. I surely agree with your father. You that blew up so much pay are very expensive. Now Blue Cat needs to get it all fixed right and use it to do their work right now, thanks to you. That's it! You are great until merchants! March upstairs to your room right now and think about what you have done. Wow! And stop crying like a motor car right now. Yeah. Door. Oh. What are you doing, Boulderboard? Oh, yeah. Stop right there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this video is too long. Yeah. I mean.